Looking for a comfortable and convenient sleeping solution? Check out this high-quality air mattress that provides ultimate comfort and support. Whether you're camping, hosting guests, or just need a quick and easy extra bed at home, this air mattress is designed with advanced features to ensure a restful sleep, including durable material, easy inflation and deflation, and a compact, portable design. For more details about this air mattress, please visit the link in the video description. Just go to the video description, click the link, and you'll find everything you need to know about this fantastic product. Don't forget to support our channel. Please subscribe, like this video, comment your thoughts, and share it with others. Your support helps us bring more great content your way.